We are going to find the value of cube root of 7 raised to x plus 6 over 2, where 7 raised to the power of x is 64. Are you ready to unlock the secret of this cute question? Time to show me your skills in the comments below. But where should we start the solution? At school we have already learned to solve this type of question. We need to find the value of x, then plug this x in this expression and calculate the value of this expression. But today I'm going to solve this without finding the value of x. How it is possible? No worries, come here. After a few minutes you are going to be the master of solving this type of question. But where should we start the solution? To solve this, I'm going to start my solution by working on this exponent. Let me rewrite it. What do we have here? Cube root of 7 raised to x plus 6 over 2. Let's see what do we have here. X plus 6 over 2. It can be written in the form of x over 2 plus 6 over 2. Right? 6 over 2 is 3. So let me write it. 7 raised to x over 2 plus 3. Next, now I'm going to use an exponential rule that says a raised to m times a raised to m can be written same base and exponent. Right? So if we have this one, can we get result left side? Absolutely yes. So 7 raised to x over 2 plus 3 can be written in the form of 7 raised to x over 2 times 7 raised to 3 cube root. Okay. Next. Again, next rule that says I can write cube root of a times b in the form of cube root of a times cube root of b. So it is gonna be cube root of 7 raised to x over 2 times cube root of 7 raised to 3. Now, how can we simplify this one? This 3 as exponent, this 3 as root can be cancelled off. So the value of cube root of 7 raised to the power of 3 is 7. Let me rewrite it here. 7 times cube root of 7 raised to the power of x over 2. But how can we calculate the value of this? Look this one. Look this one. Can you notice same point that I can see? Okay. Here we have 7 raised to the power of x over 2. Time to use this important information. We have 7 raised to the power of x is 64. This is 7x to the power of 2. So I'm going to raise both sides to the power of, right, 7 raised to the power of x raised to 1 over 2 equals 64 raised to the power of 1 over 2. What is this? A to the power of m raised to the power of n is going to be a raised to the power of m times n. So x times 1 over 2. It is going to be 7 raised to the power of x over 2 equals 64 raised to the power of 1 over 2, which means second root of 64, that is 8. Look here. How exciting. Same, right? So I write 7 times cube root of 7 raised to the power of x over 2 or 8. What is 8? 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, which means 2 raised to the power of 3. So what do we have here? 2 to the power of 3, cube root of 2 to the power of 3. So we have 7 times cube root of 2 to the power of 3. All you know, the value of this is 2. So final answer is 7 times 2, which means 14. And this is the most simplified answer of our question. Remember, if you use different way to solve this question, please let me know. It always makes me happy to see how creative you guys can be. Have fun.